Hi, I'm Bob Martin, and I want to be your Tagalog buddy. I speak Bisaya fluently, but I'm picking up more and more Tagalog all the time, and I want to learn together with you. We can be buddies in learning the language. I'm working with somebody to develop a course and also teaching me more and more Tagalog, so why don't you join me for these free weekly lessons here on my website. Welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to talk about pluralization. It's often funny to hear the way foreigners make a Filipino word plural. They just add an S at the end, just like you would do in English. But that's not how it works. To make a word plural in the Philippines, you say the word mga before the word. Well, many foreigners also can't pronounce mga either. Okay, let's learn a few words in Tagalog, and then on the next slide, we will make these words plural. Lalaki, that's a male, man, or boy. Lalaki. Lungsod, that's a city. Lungsod. Babae, female, woman, or girl. Babae. Ibon, bird. Ibon. Daan, street. Daan. Auto, car. Auto. Bahay, house. Bahay. Okay, now let's take those same words and make them plural. Mga lalaki, males, men, or boys. Mga lalaki. Mga lungsod, cities. Mga lungsod. Mga babae, females, women, or girls. Mga babae. Mga ibon, birds. Mga ibon. Mga daan, streets. Mga daan. Mga auto, cars. Mga auto. Mga bahay, houses. Mga bahay. So, as you can see, adding an S at the end of the word does not make it plural. Instead, add mga before the word. If you live in the Philippines, learning Tagalog will make your stay much more enjoyable. Even if you're just visiting, add to your fun, learn how to speak a little bit of the language. A lot of expats are unhappy living in the Philippines, but the language can make a big difference for you. I know it has for me. I learned how to speak Bisaya since that's the language in the area where I live, but I'm also picking up more and more Tagalog. And I'm working with somebody to develop a Tagalog course. I've already got something ready so you can try it out anytime. My Tagalog course is called Tagalog Buddy because I want to be your buddy and learn together. This full course will teach you the vocabulary, the grammar, how to form sentences, and everything you need to know to become fluent. My Tagalog Buddy course is just $89.99 US. Perfect for learning Tagalog. To order, click on the link below this video. Thank you very much for joining our course today. Like I said at the beginning, I'm Bob Martin, and I want to be your Tagalog buddy. Join us again next time for another lesson.